So hello my dear friends, welcome to a new video. In this today's video, I Pranav Ford, your master teacher of Little Dear Sir channel, is here with you a very new and interesting topic of the mathematics, that is understanding fractions, which is the one of the most we can't say hard, but one of the most important parts in the mathematics, that are the fractions. So let's get started with this today's video. But before the starting, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box, do you like this video? You are welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir. Welcome to the world of fractions. In this presentation, we'll explore the definitions, types and applications of fractions. Let's dive in. So, what are fractions? Which is means most one of the part, that is what are fractions. First we have to understand about it. First we will see definition and basic terms. Fraction represent a part of whole. Fraction means the part of a whole. Suppose here is a whole chapati. So this is the half chapati, and next this is the half chapati. Next, if we draw one more chapati here, yes, so I have drawn here one more chapati, and if I shade or if I eaten this part, how many total parts are there? There are 4 parts, equal parts are there, and I ate 1. So it is 1 by 4. So what is this? Upper is called the numerator. What it is called? It is called the numerator, and below number of this line is called as the denominator, and this middle line is called as the vinculum. What we call it? We call it as the vinculum. So we understood what is fraction, that fraction is the part of whole. Numerator, denominator and fraction bar are key terms to understand. Fraction bar means the vinculum. Examples of fraction. Common examples include 1 by 2, I shown, and if I ate 3 parts of that 4 parts. If there were 4 parts of anything I ate, or 3 parts are different, so shaded, so the fraction will be 3 by 4, 2 by 5 and etc. Fractions can be proper, less than 1, improper, greater than or equal to 1, or mixed numbers. So there are the 3 types of fraction that we will learn in the next slide. So we will learn that 3 types of fraction in the next slide. So importance of understanding fraction. Why to understand the fraction? Importance of understanding that fraction. Mastering fractions is essential for everyday tasks like measuring ingredients and dealing with money. Means when we are dealing with money and to measure any ingredients, if we say half kg sugar, 3 by 4 kg sugar means 3 by 4 kg means 750 gram sugar, 250 gram sugar means 1 by 4 kg sugar. If we go to the shop, we have to measure that ingredients. So now we will learn about the types of fraction. What are the types of fraction? First is the proper fraction. Proper fractions have a numerator smaller than the denominator. Means the upper number, that is the numerator, are smaller than the denominator. Denominator is greater, numerator is smaller. Like 3 by 7 means there are total 7 parts, means out of that 7, 3 parts. If we want to represent 3 parts, we say 3 by 7. Numerator is less than 7, means 3 is less than 7, so it is called as the proper fraction. They represent a part of whole, means they represent a part of whole. Next we will learn about the improper fraction. It is different. Improper fractions. Improper fractions have a numerator equal to or greater than the denominator means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Example, let's see. 7 by 4. Example, 7 by 4 means 7 is greater than 4. So it is called as the improper fraction. They represent a whole and a part means they represent a whole and also a part. Mixed numbers means mixed fractions combine a whole number and a proper fraction like 3 1 by 2. They represent a whole and a part. Now let's take one example. I gone to a restaurant. I took one pizza. I ate whole pizza. If I took one more pizza and I have not ate the whole pizza, the pizza had 8 slices. How many slices? Pizza had 8 slices. I ate only 3 slices. How many slices I ate? I ate 3 slices. So we will write here 1, the first pizza we eaten, and next we will write 3 by 8. Total 8 parts there were, and I eaten 3 parts, so they are called as the whole fraction. Means there is a whole number and a fraction. They represent a whole. They represent a whole and a fraction both. Okay. Application of fractions means we are learning fractions, but why to learn the fractions? In real life, how to use them? It is most important to learn everything. Why to learn it? To use it in real life, to learn how to use it. Real world examples. From dividing pizzas to sharing candies, fractions are everywhere in our daily lives. From dividing pizzas means if we take a pizza, we divide it. There we use fraction. When we share our candies on our birthday, we use the fraction. Fractions are everywhere in our daily life. Practical use in everyday life. Using fractions help us measure ingredients that I told you, calculate discounts and split costs fairly. If you see to a supermarket, there is a outside board, half % off, or it is written 50% off. Okay, and split costs fairly. If I have 10 rupees, okay, I have to give to my other friend and I have to also take. So how much part I should give him? I should give him 5 rupees. I should take 5 rupees. Okay. Importance across subjects. Understanding fractions unlocks success in maths, physics, cooking and other fields. Means the importance of fractions is also there in the physics, cooking, math and etc. Mastering fractions, a step-by-step guide. Understand the basic. You should understand the basic. Learn the terminology and how to read and write fractions. How to read fraction? Suppose it is 7 by 18. How do we read it? 7. This line is read as by 7 by 18. Compare and order fractions. This to compare and order fractions, to do the means operations on the fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we will learn in the next video. Discover techniques to compare and arrange fractions in ascending and descending order. Perform operations, add, subtract, multiply and divide fractions simply and convert between different forms. It is also very important. Equivalent fractions made easy. Definition. Equivalent fractions represent the same quantity but with different numerators and denominators. Visual representation. Using diagrams or models helps visualize how fractions are equivalent. Example. For example, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. Means 1 by 2 means half. 2 by 4 also means half. 3 by 6 also means half. Common misconceptions about fractions. Misconceptions means what? Which are misconceptions. Equal numerators mean equal fractions. A common error is assuming fraction with equal numerators are always equal. Equal denominators means equal fraction. Another misconception is that fractions with equal denominators are always equal. Means it is a misconception that children means we say in Hindi andaz lagana, right? Means to not understand it before they say by their heart anything, mind anything they say. Mixing up numerator and denominator. What they do is they mix numerator and denominator. Flipping numerator and denominator leads to incorrect values. Mastering fractions. Practice makes perfect. Practice regularly to learn the fractions. Complete exercises and solve real world problems that we solved here. Involve fractions. Online resources like I am giving you all the resources free. Mentor and tutor guidance. Mathematics textbooks. Collaborate. Work with friends or study groups to discuss concepts and solve fractions puzzles together. Means when we come together we can understand it more better. So come together, do group study. Peer-to-peer learning, group projects, exploring real life scenarios. Sneak help. If you are struggling, don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher or seek additional support. Means you don't fear to ask. We have comment section. You can ask everything in that comment section. I will give that answers. Ask question during class, participate in office hours, attend math tutoring sessions. Thanks for watching this today's video. If you like, and I hope you understand today's topic. If you like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir. And tell in the comment box if you like this video. You are welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir.